students. Yes, we are in our science lecture and we are continuing with the chapter number 13, food, cooking and preservation. So now let us continue and talk about food spoilage and preservation. Yes, we have seen that after some times or after some days, our food item gets spoiled. So we will see how they get spoiled and how we can preserve them. If food items are not preserved in a proper manner, they can get spoiled. Spoilage of food takes place due to the growth of harmful microbes on it. So whenever we have kept our bread or roti chapati for some days, you can see a white color substance grows on it. Yes, so they are so they are known as microbes. So different microbes can grow according to the condition it is present in. So microbes that spoil food are yeast, fungi and bacteria. They enter foodstuff that are not cooked or stored properly and change their taste, texture and color. So how we can identify whether the food is spoiled or not? Firstly, the taste of the food will change. Then the texture means the appearance of the food will change, and also the color of the food may change. If we eat spoiled food, what will happen? We will fall sick and suffer from food poisoning with symptoms such as diarrhea, vomiting, headache, and pain in the stomach. Yes, we all know that everybody is some or the other time we are facing the problem of food poisoning. Yes, ma'am, my stomach is paining because we might have eaten spoiled food by mistake. So we may have vomiting, diarrhea, or pain in the stomach. Now, how we can preserve this food? Let us see. The process of storing food for a long time and preserving it from getting spoiled is called as food preservation. Means we have to store the food for long period of time without letting it get spoiled. So first is canning and bottling. Yes, we have seen that our sauce and jam, they come in bottles and cans. So this is one way to preserve them for long time. Then pickling. Yes, our mother makes different types of pickles, pickle of mango, lime and some fruits also. So what they add? They add salt, oil and spices. So this method is known as pickling. Then drying. It is a process by which water present in a food item is removed. So drying means we are drying something. Drying is we are removing water from the food items. So the food like grapes, they are dried to get resins. Then papad is also stored by drying. Okay. Then another is boiling. Yes, cooked or ready to cook food can be stored for a long time by boiling vegetables, and milk can be preserved by boiling. Yes, we have seen that whenever we take milk, after taking we are boiling the milk so that it can be preserved for 2-3 days. Then refrigerating means we are keeping our food item in the refrigerator. We can store food such as raw fruits and vegetables by keeping them in cool in the freezer for a short period of time. Then this was refrigerating means we're keeping it in cool place in freezer. Now what is freezing? Freezing is we keep the food like meat, vegetables in the freezer to preserve them for long time. Then pasteurization. Pasteurization, it is one method in which our milk is being preserved for a long time. Like milk can be kept safe for a long time by pasteurization. In this method, milk is heated to a very high temperature and suddenly cooled down to prevent germs from spoiling it. So what is this method of pasteurization? First, the milk is heated at very high temperature and then it is cooled. But how it is cooled? It is cooled down suddenly, means immediately. So it will not get spoiled. Now we will see about microbes. So these microorganisms, they grow on our food. So we will talk about them. Microbes are very tiny living things that cannot be seen with our naked eyes. So with our normal eyes we cannot see them. Where we can see them? We can see them under the microscope. They are present all around us in the air, water, and even inside our bodies. Yes, some microbes are harmful, but some microbes are helpful also. So, harmful microorganisms are known as germs. They enter our body and causes several diseases. Yes, fungi, bacteria, virus, and protozoa are some types of microbes, which fungi, bacteria, virus, and protozoa. You can see the structure of the microbes in the photo. This is what we see under the microscope. Now we will talk about some useful microbes. So microbes can be useful to us in many ways. Like microbes like yeast are used for making cake, breads, and buns. Then some microbes help in formation of the curd from milk. Then certain bacteria are found inside our body that helps in the digestion of food. Then some microbes also help to change dead plants and animals into manure by rotting them. Yes, we have seen that when we dig a pit, we can put the plants and dead animals inside that, so they will convert into manure. So microbes help these dead plants and animals to convert into manure. Okay children, rest of the chapter we will continue in the next lecture. Bye bye.